MEC, someone who is in the dusty township of Botshabelo. But when you go to his school, you get a town experience, you get a Model C experience. Is none other than Motheo. There are so many MEC, but this one will just stand out, Motheo. Yes, yes. I know you can be very agile. I know you can be very agile. Thank you. Congratulations. This is a principal of a primary school, MEC. This is the principal of a primary school, Major. MEC, the next one is also a personification of a functional, excellent principal at a secondary school. MEC, when you are funding farm hostel projects, you expect them to make a difference in the lives of the farm learners, so that they should not be farm workers. Their performance